a classmate because something they did that you didn't like. Bully or not bully? If you are spreading gossip, telling little rumors and saying things that you heard about somebody but not to them, bully or not bully? Oh, what about pushing somebody out of the way? What if you really want to get to that thing? Still can't do that, right? I want to show you an example. What it might look like if we excluded somebody. Exclude means keep them out. You know, like an exit means where you go out. Exclude. What's this word? No. No, really, tell me what this word is. No. Guys, please, just read the word. If we say no to somebody in our group, okay? This is just pretend. Everybody go, pretend. If we say no to our friend Micah over here, I'll leave this up. 1, 2, 3. No, that's, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. No, it's not. Well,
yeah, wait for it.
Yeah, not that.
Something else.
Not that.
Nope.
God. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Are you listening to Noah?
Yeah, no.
Can you play faster?
No.
But also slower.
Faster and slower.
Yes. Just do, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Can you believe it's like, no, I can't. I cannot believe it. All right, pause. Back to reality. Reality. Did that seem like a good way to lead this band? Yeah. No, I didn't push her. I didn't take something of hers, but that was a kind of bullying, right? I was keeping her out of that group. And that's not going to make her feel good. It's also not good for us because now we only have 2 people in the band. Join. Let's reverse it. Everybody go. Everybody stand up, turn around. Sit back down. So we reversed time. We reversed it. Now, let's try this again. Instead of saying no to Michael, let's do the same thing, but let's try to use the word join in. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, cool. Maybe, I just was wondering, maybe Noah and I could start, could you like maybe join in a couple of measures, like count maybe, what do you think, 3, 4 measures? Yeah? And then join in there? Okay, cool.
Kind of an arrangement.
Yeah, we'll arrange it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Join us. This, a big fat red no, not a good idea. But this is a better idea. That's something you can think about. Can we try another one? Can we try another one? Everybody give me one